Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make a sea moss smoothie. Start by rinsing and soaking sea moss, then blend with fruit and liquid immediately. I'll walk you through measurements, texture tips, and storage advice so your smoothie tastes great every time. Stay relaxed, follow along at your own pace, and I'll share simple swaps for sweetness, creaminess, and nutrient boosts so you can tailor the drink to your preferences. Gather ingredients before you start to streamline the process and avoid interruptions. Measure 1 cup liquid like almond milk, 1 cup fruit, and 2 tablespoons prepared sea moss for consistency. Choose a sweetener like 2 dates or a drizzle of honey if needed. I'll also show how to use frozen fruit for chill and texture, plus options for vegan and high-protein versions so you can customize easily. Start by rinsing and soaking raw sea moss until it softens, then drain and chop roughly. Add 1 cup liquid first, then fruit, sea moss, and any boosters like nut butter or greens. Pulse to combine, then blend on high for 30 to 60 seconds until silky smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness or thickness, pour into a glass, and enjoy immediately for best flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.